Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute, and we're just going to go a little bit deeper into mindset. Simply put, your mindset is about how you think, about yourself, about your journey. And it's important because the scientific evidence shows us that how we think impacts our actions, our behaviors that we take each and every day, the choices that we make. So when we have a helpful mindset, it can help us make the behavior changes that we're trying to make, like, sleeping better, moving more, eating healthier. And that's what's ultimately going to get us closer to our goals. So when we talk about mindset in the coaching program, there's 3 components that we address. We talk about awareness. We always want to shift our mindset with, starting out with awareness, okay? We want to start noticing your current patterns. Like, how do you typically think, feel? What are the actions? Like watching yourself with curiosity. This is always one of the first things we do in health coaching, and people are always surprised. I'm like, I'm not going to have you make any changes this week. I'm just going to have you observe, really be aware of the patterns, like what you're doing now, and what are you thinking when you're doing them, and what are you feeling? And, kind of just being curious about what it is that you do now instead of having judgment around it. Just, really digging into okay, why am I going through that fast food drive-through? Is it because I'm in a hurry? Is it because it's convenient? Is it, what are the reasons for that? So this is really important, in order for our clients, our health coaching clients to, that we really need them to identify what do they want to change? What are they doing now, and what do they want to change? And, but at first, they really need to be aware of what's working for them right now and what's not working for them. And until we identify that, we don't even really know what it is that we need to change. Secondly, we talk to them about shifting how you think about yourself. We want to encourage our clients to accept themselves and really accept their bodies for how they are now. The way that you see yourself and talk to yourself now is critical for how you feel overall and how you feel about yourself. So it also affects, your ability to make behavior changes and achieve the goals that you want, and how you're going to respond to setbacks. How you think and talk to yourself in that moment really has an impact. And this is for everyone. And then lastly, we want to talk to our clients about shifting how you think about your journey. And when I say that, I want to say how you think about your journey and your experiences in general. It's all about perspective. When a client thinks realistically and has flexibility and has the big picture in mind, it can make the healthy choices that we're working on a little bit easier, and it can help you to achieve your goals if we can, take a step back and really look at the big picture. So this is just one of the ways that we address mindset when we're working with our clients in a coaching program. We just want to do different types of exercises and techniques with them to help them shift to a more helpful mindset, as opposed to one that's going to help them when they do have slip-ups and setbacks, and when on the weeks that they're not feeling so motivated. So I guess my point here is just to point out that this is why, as health and wellness coaches, we always take a holistic approach. We don't just talk about diet and exercise. We always build your specific lifestyle into the program. Your attitude and mindset matters, and it's always part of any coaching program when we're working with clients who are trying to make health and wellness changes to support a healthy lifestyle. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.